In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Calendly booking page. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. So first things first, you'll want to go ahead and open Calendly. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Once you're in, you should see your main dashboard where all your events are listed. Now, to customize an event, find the specific event that you want to change. This could be anything like a one-on-one meeting, a group event, or even a team meeting. When you locate it, look for those three dots right next to the event name. This is your options menu. Click on those three dots and then select Edit. Now you're in the Edit mode and you'll see an array of options for customization. First, let's talk about what you can change about your meeting. You can easily modify the name of the meeting to something more fitting or catchy if that suits your needs. Then there's the duration of the meeting. If you want the meeting to be longer or shorter, you can adjust that here as well. This is quite handy, especially if you want to set up a quick 5-minute check-in or perhaps a lengthy hour-long strategy session. Next, consider the location of your meeting. If you typically hold meetings over Zoom, be sure to set this in the location field. Just click where it says location and select Zoom, or you can customize it with a different link if needed. Once you've made those changes, you might want to check out some of the additional customization options. Click on More Options, and you'll find some valuable settings. If you want to change things such as the buffer time between meetings, say if you want to create a 10-minute gap between appointments so you have time to prepare, you can adjust that here. You can also set a limit on how many people can book during a given time frame. This is especially useful if you're running a group event and want to cap attendance for a more intimate experience. After customizing all these elements, be sure to review everything to ensure it looks good and fits your schedule. It's essential to have all these preferences set correctly to avoid any confusion later on. Once you're satisfied with the changes you've made, look for the Save Changes button. This will be somewhere at the bottom of the page. Click on that, and your customized event is ready to go. Congratulations! You've just personalized your Calendly booking page, making it work better for you and your invitees. Now your participants will have a seamless experience when they book time with you. This small effort can greatly enhance your interactions and ensure that everything runs smoothly. And remember, if you are ever in need of further modifications, you can always go back through the same process to tweak anything that needs adjusting. It's quite user-friendly once you get the hang of it. So, that wraps up our tutorial for today on customizing your Calendly booking page. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. It helps our channel a lot, and we would love to keep bringing you these useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.